She'll teach you things, she'll play with you, and Gigi loves you too. Yay!
Hello everyone! How are you feeling today? I'm feeling really happy and energized as always. And I want to show you something. Look at that! Oh, a lot of dirt on this car. So, what do you think? What are we going to do today? We're going to wash a car! And I'm going to call Bon Bon too! Bon Bon, come! Hi! Hi, Bon Bon! High five! High five!
Bingo!
Look at that!
Amazing!
It's so dirty!
Not again.
You want to wash a car today? Let's clean the car! But I don't know how to do that. Do you know?
Uh-oh.
No? I don't know. So let's call someone. Okay? Can you help us?
Hi there, guys.
Hello!
Hi.
How are you?
I'm very well, thank you. Very well. My name's Dan. I'm here to help you show you how to clean a car today.
Wow!
First, apron.
Thank you!
PPE.
Thank you!
Panda, I'm sorry. Unfortunately, we only have one.
Uh-oh.
Sorry, Panda.
Mama. So, what do we need to do? How do we start?
First thing we need to do is get the car blasted off. So get rid of all this dirt. It'll all come off with the jet wash. It's lovely and powerful.
Can you help me with this one? Can you help me with this one?
Ready to go. So this is car shampoo. This is what we use to clean the vehicle. Takes all the contaminants out of the paintwork and makes it nice and shiny.
Wow!
But first, we need to prep the vehicle by getting it washed down.
Okay.
So guys, this is the jet wash. Very powerful. So always make sure you've got protection on. So we start off by blasting off all the loose debris off the car. Like so.
Amazing!
Would you like to have a go? There we go.
Uh-oh.
What now?
Point the direction, squeeze the trigger. Very well.
Wow, can I try again?
Go for the top, go for the top. Start on the roof.
Okay. You wanna try, Bon Bon? Look at that. Can you teach Bon Bon?
Point at the car. There we go. Squeeze the trigger. Squeeze and hold. There we go. Keep squeezing. There we go.
Wow, look at that.
All on the roof.
I'm
Never point jet wash towards people. There we go. Point to the car. Well done.
Amazing!
Good job, Bon Bon. Good job. Again. Okay. I wanna go. So, can I do that on the window?
You can do that wherever. Completely safe. Windows, wheels, body.
Oh, what's that?
So guys, this is the engine bay. This is what we need to clean next. So what we do is we start by scrubbing it all down.
Oh,
I bought some gifts. One brush
a brush.
and two brush. So, okay guys, so what we're doing is you get your brush,
And I want to do that.
get your brush and you start agitating the plastics.
Okay. Like this.
Yep, let's have a look. Yeah, like you're painting a house.
Hey, we'll pretend we're painting, but we're actually cleaning the engine bay. Isn't that really cool? Okay. Wow.
Good job, Panda. Good job.
This is called teamwork. Teamwork. Yay. Whoops. Oh, and Dan, what's going to happen now? What do we have to do?
So the next step we're doing is cleaning the wheels. Now the engine bay's been done, we clean the wheels.
How do we do that?
So what you use is a special chemical here.
Oh.
Very dangerous for adults only.
Oh.
Okie dokie.
So we spray over.
Okay. And now again with the brush.
And back with the brush.
Okay.
You just slowly go over all the wheels until they're nice and shiny. So we follow this process all the way across every single wheel.
And how many wheels do we have?
So this car has 4 wheels.
4 wheels. 1, 2, 3, 4 wheels. Okay, we're done with the first wheel. Oh, in here too. Okay. Okay.
Right, to the next one.
Alrighty.
Okie dokie.
What are you doing, Bon Bon? Bon Bon! We need to clean the car. What are you doing? Can you go somewhere? No, just shut the door. Oh, Bon Bon is a bit disappointed.
Come on, Bon Bon.
Okay.
You can have a go.
Oh, let's clean the wheels. We're going to brush them. Oh, this is the 3rd wheel. Okay. And this is the last wheel, the 4th one.
Final wheel to go.
Oh, and now we're going to wash the wheels. Can you please show me?
Okay, so the best way to clean a tyre and the wheel is to start on the inside of the wheel, all the way around,
Okay.
like so. After that, around the tyre,
Okay.
around the arch.
All right.
Would you like to have a go?
Okay,
Okie dokie.
I will try. Thank you. Dan, what are we going to do now?
So the next step of the car would be wash the outside. What we're using is this. It's called snow foam. It's special car shampoo. We get to play with it all over the car. Yeah, that's
Are we going to have a lot of snow? Snow
Would you like to stand here?
Yes.
Okie dokie.
What you do is you point the trigger at the car.
Amazing.
Oh, that's so cool.
Have a go and cover the whole car.
Oh, God. I get to do that. Okay. Wow, that's so cool. And in here too.
Everywhere. Glass everywhere. Make the car white.
And good job. And again. Bon. Bon. Oh, wow. A-Y-U. Ayu. Can you make a circle? That's not a circle. That's a square, Bon Bon. This is a circle. Wow. Looks like a washing machine. Oh, they're so funny. Ayu and Bon Bon. Oh, what happens now?
Now we're going to wipe it all down.
Okay.
Pass you a sponge and you rub all over the car.
Amazing.
Alright.
There we go. And Bon Bon, one for you.
Ooh.
Here we go, Bon Bon.
Whoops.
Oh.
No, no, no.
See, Bon Bon, now we don't use this. Anything what touches the floor, no, no, no. Scratch the car with stones.
Oh, okay, so we cannot use this anymore.
No, because you get lots of stones and grit and you go all over the car.
Oh, no.
Fresh sponge.
Oh, Right, you need a new one, Bon Bon. Don't worry about it. You'll have a new one. Okay. Okay, I'm done. What happens now?
Fantastic. Right, next step, we're blasting off all the soap.
Okay, so we will just wash the soap.
Wash all the soap off the car.
Alrighty.
So, yet again, same process.
Amazing!
Bon Bon is here. Hello. Look at him. Oh, the car looks almost clean. What do we need to do now?
Right, so the next step is to dry it. So we're going to get one of these towels here,
Okay.
go around and dry it all. So like when we have a bath or a shower,
Oh.
whoop, whoop, whoop.
Yes.
all over.
Okie
Okay.
dokie.
So this will be the last step.
Yes, that's it.
Okay.
Amazing!
Now we just have to dry it up and it will be ready. Wow, look at that. Now it's nice and clean. Thank you so much for helping me out today.
No worries, guys. Hope you and Bon Bon have a lovely day.
Thank you. It was so interesting to find out so many things about how to clean a car. That's amazing. I hope you had a fantastic day too. Bye-bye.
And don't forget, be kind, wash your hands, eat healthy. You are beautiful.